Name ist Thomas Metzner.
My name is Thomas Metzner. We have been running the workshop here in Langquide for 10 years. We do everything in the workshop, from A to Z. Customer service, tire changes, the chassis and the exhaust pipe. I myself mainly do workshop work, or at least am mainly found in the workshop. Every now and then I take care of the necessary evil that is the office.
So unser nächster Termin ist
Our next event is a firm fixture in the calendar, Automechanika. Simply to discover and learn more about new topics. To learn about and understand new areas, like electromobility or other areas where there have been new developments.